So this is ElevenLabs, the free version, and it can do lots of things, one of which is build agents. So if we look at agents, it gives you lots of templates that you can base it on. I've based mine on a customer support scenario because that's easy to understand. It's like a widget that's going to sit on a website that the customer can interact with and get answers. But the answers will be grounded within the content, the quality content that we provide to it. Let me show you what I've set up here. So I've just gone mostly with all of the defaults that it gives you. It sets up a system prompt, but of course you can edit that as much as you like. And I changed the name that it gave it to Copilot Notebooks Expert because my agent is all about Copilot Notebooks. I also changed the first message that is used when a new interaction starts. But I didn't really change anything else here. You can play with the voices, with the language, with the large language model that's being used. You can change elements to do with the process workflow. You can develop the widget that you're going to, put on your website and so on. Security, yeah, there's lots you can do here. The critical thing to do is to add the knowledge that it's going to be asking questions on. And I've added about a dozen documents that I've written about Microsoft Copilot's notebooks. So this ElevenLabs agent will be answering the user's questions about a similar tool from Microsoft Copilot Notebooks. And Copilot Notebooks is a bit similar to how this agent works. But anyway, it's a body of content that makes sense for an agent to answer questions about. So the scenario is you call it up. And this widget
You're
here,
through to the Copilot Notebooks expert. How can I help?
Hi, could you explain what Copilot Notebooks really is?
Copilot Notebooks is an AI-powered workspace within Microsoft 365 Copilot that creates a focused environment where Copilot answers questions and drafts content using only the references you specifically add to that notebook.
Okay,
Think of it
is it a
as
bit like OneNote?
That's a great question. They're quite different in purpose and structure. Copilot Notebooks is designed for specific AI workflows. It's where you want Copilot to work from a curated set of files and produce consistent holds prompt threads, and custom instructions to keep AI on the rails. OneNote, on the other hand, is primarily for long remote taking. With sections, pages, and rich forensic formatting for capturing meeting notes, classes, and personal letter knowledge over time.
But does Copilot Notebooks generate a podcast based on the content you upload?
Yes, Copilot Notebooks can generate an content style summary of your content style content. This feature creates a natural language reader of your key ideas, decisions, and insights. To use it, you need at least one reference filing in your notebook, and you can choose the format, style, and duration.
Okay, let's stop there. Thank you. Goodbye. End the call. So you see it works with voice as well as typing text. Had a few little glitches there, but basically what it was saying was true. It was answering correctly and in a novel way based on the content that I'd given it. And of course, this could be any bounded subject that makes sense, or it could be perhaps the set of company policies that end users could then query and get answers from. And we can do the same thing in Microsoft Copilot Notebooks itself, as we have demonstrated here with ElevenLabs agents. But yeah, very interesting. Bye for now.